10 things about the Inter-American Court of Human Rights. The Inter-American system was formally started with the passing of the American Declaration of the Rights and Duties of Man in 1948. Additionally, the American states, in their exercise of their sovereignty and in the framework of the Organization of American States, adopted a series of international instruments that have become the foundation of a regional system of human rights promotion and protection, known as the Inter-American System for the Protection of Human Rights. In addition, 2 organs were created through this system with the intention to safeguard these rights: the Inter-American Commission of Human Rights and the Inter-American Court of Human Rights. It is an autonomous legal institution whose objective is to interpret and apply the American Convention. Besides, the Inter-American Court is one of 3 regional human rights tribunals, together with the European Court of Human Rights and the African Court of Human and People's Rights. In accordance with the American Convention, the court mainly exercises 3 functions: contentions. Within this function, the court determines if a state has incurred an international responsibility for violating a right enshrined in the American Convention or other relevant human rights treaties in the Inter-American system. Similarly, the court also supervises the compliance of sentences in this manner. Advisory function. This function allows the court to respond to questions posed by OAS, member state or organs of the OAS regarding the compatibility of international norms with the Convention and the interpretation of the Convention or other treaties concerning the protection of human rights in the American states. Provisional measures. They are measures that the court hands down in cases that are very serious, urgent, and when they must be necessary to avoid irreparable harm to people. These 3 requisites must be satisfied prima facie before these measures can be awarded. The General Assembly of the OAS recommended approval of the formal offer of the government of Costa Rica to establish the headquarters of the court in that country on July 1st, 1978. This decision was then ratified by the state parties to the convention during the 6th special session of the OAS General Assembly, celebrated in November 1978. The ceremony of this court's installation occurred in the city of San Jose on September 3rd, 1979. 20 states have recognized the contention's jurisdiction of the court, including as follows: Argentina, Barbados, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, El Salvador, Guatemala, Haiti, Honduras, Mexico, Nicaragua, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Suriname, and Uruguay. The organization, procedure, and function of the court are regulated in the American Convention. In addition, the court has a statute approved by the states through the OAS General Assembly and a regulation issued by the court itself. The court is composed of 7 judges, nationals of the member states of the OAS. The judges serve a term of 6 years and can be re-elected once for the same period. However, even judges with terms coming to close continue to participate in the cases in which they were involved before the end of their term and in cases that are in the sentence phase. The judges may not hear cases concerning their nationalities. However, In interstate cases, it is possible for the states to name an ad hoc judge of the nationality of the states involved in the case in question. If one of the judges called to hear a case is a national of one of the states that are parties to the case, another state party in the same case may designate a person to serve on the court as an ad hoc judge. Nowadays, the court holds at least 5 ordinary periods of session per year to function efficiently, and it also holds 2 special sessions. During its periods of sessions, the court carries out different activities, among which include hearings and resolutions about contentious cases, provisional measures, advisory opinions, monitoring compliance with judgments, and adoption of judgments, advisory opinions, and orders. The program of internships and professional visits at the court offers students and professionals in the field of law, international relations, political science, languages, and translation the opportunity to gain practical experience in the Inter-American system. This program aims to provide an understanding of the workings of the Inter-American system and relevant international instruments. Share the activities of the court, give selected participants relevant and practical experience that may complement their academic and professional training, which could later be applied in different work contexts after the internship or professional visit. And promote the participation of people of different nationalities and different legal systems.